All right, Sheila, as you've already indicated, it was beautiful across the coastal empire today. Our temperatures got into the mid-70s, and you know what? The warm weather is going to continue. As a matter of fact, those temperatures are going to be above normal by the time we get to the middle of the week. We're sitting in the mid-60s across most areas right now, 57 up in Charlotte, Myrtle Beach at about 63. Here's what you can expect for the rest of this evening. We're looking at temperatures right around the low 60s at 7 p.m. By 11 p.m., we'll begin to see those clouds increasing. We're calling for mostly cloudy skies as we work our way through the overnight hours. And tomorrow morning, as you step out the door, you may experience some patchy fog in some areas. We will begin to see more of a southerly flow to our wind, so that's going to increase that moisture and bring in some extra clouds. So temperatures tomorrow morning in the low 50s to mid 50s right along the coast. Now coming up, we're going to talk about the next chance of rain, which is much needed, and we'll also talk about how warm our temperatures are going to be. Sheila?
Now, News 3 continues with your Storm Team 3 forecast, powered by Live Heart Rate Titan Radar.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Warm weather will continue. As a matter of fact, those temperatures are going to be above normal as we move on through the week. Let's take a look at your weather headlines to give you an idea of what we're dealing with. High pressure is going to continue to hold on for a couple more days. Then we're going to see those roller coaster temperatures. They're really going to soar upward. And then on Tuesday night, that is when we're going to see the best chance of getting some much needed rainfall in here. Let's talk about the temperatures first. We're looking pretty mild across most of the southeast right now. 65 right now in Savannah. We've got 65 in Atlanta. But I'm going to give you a bigger look at what's going on across the country. You see these 80s down in Texas, 76 in Memphis, 81 down in New Orleans. Well, all of that very warm air is going to make its way toward the southeast, and that's going to help to bring our temperatures way up. Also, what's going to bring our temperatures up is an approaching cold front. Now, this approaching cold front is going to increase the temperatures, and it's also going to trigger a chance for showers and storms. Anytime we have a storm system moving in from the west, out ahead of it, the air is very warm and humid. So all of this warm, humid air rising up from the Gulf is going to warm our temperatures up. And when that front comes, that's going to trigger those showers and storms as early as Tuesday night. So we'll be monitoring that very, very closely for you. In the meantime, here's what you can expect for tonight, about 50 degrees. Inland, we're looking at upper 40s, so certainly not near as chilly as it has been, so that's great. Along the coast, we're at about 55, so we're starting out the night with partly cloudy skies, but the moisture begins to creep in, so we'll see mostly cloudy skies as we move on through the overnight hours. Other temperatures to talk about across the low country, 48 degrees tonight in Walterboro. We're looking at about 52 for you in Pooler. Millen, you're looking at 48, and over toward Metter, about 49 degrees. Certainly a far cry from yesterday morning when our temperatures were so very cold. So we're really starting to moderate in terms of our temperature. 57 in Brunswick and 50 in Vidalia, and Statesboro, your temperature of about 49 degrees. Here's your high for tomorrow, 76. Now normally we should be in the low 70s, and those temperatures will continue to creep up over the next day or so. Inland, 77 right along the coast, 74. Some patchy fog for the first part of the morning. By the afternoon, partly cloudy skies, and we'll see winds out of the south at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here is a look at your marine forecast. Looking pretty good on the water. If you're planning to get out on the water tomorrow, I think things will be okay for you. We're looking at a southwest wind at about 5 to 10, and the waves for you 2 to 3 feet, and visibility is going to be clear as a bell. Overnight lows tonight in the low 50s, tomorrow 76. Now things get tricky. On Tuesday, we're up to 79 degrees, folks, and the cold front will swing in Tuesday. We're expected to see those showers and storms develop Tuesday night. Wednesday, more thunderstorms, and as we take a look at the rest of the week, our temperatures are back down again. So that's why we're talking about roller coasters.
You're telling me we can't make up our minds?
I don't know. We're over here, we're over there, we're all over the place.
Well, not bad. I mean, we had that really cold, much colder.